Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Elena. Today we're doing this domino resin mold that I got from, I want to say I got it from Amazon. I'll try to link it down in the description box below for all that are interested. We're using these glitters today. That one's from Hobby Lobby. Well, most of them are from Hobby Lobby, but I'm using some chunky glitters, some fine glitters, some of this jumbo diamond glitter, and then I'll also be using some of the Recollections heart-shaped glitters. So this is going to be a pink glittery domino set, you know, all for the girls. And we're also going to be using this pink dye by Let's Resin. So let's get started. I've already got my resin mixed up, so let's get to pouring. So our dominoes have cured and we're ready to demold. Let's do it. Here's a little ASMR for those that like to actually hear the dominoes release from the mold. So we're all done demolding, and I want y'all to take a look at these up close. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at all the sparkle, the glitter. So pretty, but still needs a little something extra. So we're gonna work on these. So I'm going to use some acrylic paint. I'm using this metallic pearl white paint, and I'm just gonna go in with my little tool here. This is just like an old nail dotting tool that I had. It's a set I got off Amazon a while ago. So I'm just going to use this dotting tool to fill in the little spaces on each domino. This is going to take a hot minute. So yeah, but this is what I did, and the line didn't really work. I think the tool that I was using was a little bit too big for the line. It's perfect for this, for the little circles, as you can see, but the line, I think I had to find another tool and go back in for the lines. But anyway, this is how I made the dots on the inside of the dominoes stand out. Okay, so we're done applying the acrylic paint, and this is what we're looking like. Aren't they gorgeous? I'm loving all of the glitter effect of this. I love that the paint is pearlite, you know, like a pearlescent type of color. I think it goes so well. This combination is perfect. So I'm finally done with all of the dominoes. I went ahead and domed the back with some mica powder, some pink mica. Even though you can still see through some of them, but it's okay. I've seen dominoes where they were actually kind of transparent, so it's okay. But yeah, these came out very pretty. I'm super happy with them, and I'm definitely going to be making some more. So tell me, what do you guys think about them? Have you tried to make these domino molds, these dominoes with this mold? And what color combinations did you choose? And if you have a video on it, definitely let me know, let us know, so we can come check you out. All right, you guys, I'm gonna leave it here. I wanna thank you all so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed already, I invite you to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any more of my videos, and you'll be notified when they come out. And if you liked it, definitely hit the like button for me. It does help my channel out here on YouTube, so I'd appreciate that. But yeah, you guys, I will see you all in the next video. I'm sending y'all so much love, peace, and light. Don't forget to go out there, create something new, and trust your dopeness. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.